How's it going, everybody? Moose here in the garage, and we're talking new filming setup for the new riding season 2026. So, new year, new cameras, new gear. For years I've been using a couple of the same cameras, the GO 3, the X4, which I still presently have, and my iPhone. This year I decided to change it up just a tad and add a few things to my camera gear for the riding season ahead. So I want to take a real quick moment, do like a really short 3 or 4 minute video to show you what I have and what I'm going to use this year for audio, video, and on and off the bike. So let's take a look at what we have here. Filmed on the iPhone 14 Pro Max today, we'll be using this in our kit, of course, along with the new DJI 3 mic I presently have hooked up to my iPhone, and I'm mic'd right here using that for audio, so I can show you the camera gear we'll be using this year, mostly on and off the bike. So here is our new setup. Some old, some new. And the different things we'll be using this year to film while on trips. So let's get into this real quick. I'll set the camera up on the tripod and I will show you what we will be using this year to film. Alright, so for on the bike, we're going to be once again using the X4 Insta360. This works out very well as a camera for the upper mirror portion of the gold wing. I am going to be using the Mic 3 on it this year, so I bought the mic adapter for the side of the camera. I'm utilizing my old side mount from my X3, which used to live on my helmet for a couple years until I switched to the GO 3. So we'll be using this so we can mount the camera sideways on the motorcycle with DJI mic'd into the side of it by utilizing the external mic adapter for the Mic 3. So that'll be our on-bike camera. Audio will be provided by the DJI Mic 3, which I'm presently using on my iPhone. For doing vlogs when I do them, I'll be using the new DJI Nano from DJI. I just recently purchased this. I have a magnetic mount on it right now so it can stick to magnets. Sorry, magnets don't stick to magnet. Well, they do stick to magnets on different poles. But anyways, it'll stick to steel. Different mounting. It can also come out of the cage when it goes on the helmet. And for that, I'll be using a... Get this out of my organization. Keying over here. Everything's kept right. And I'll be using this setup on my helmet. Nice thing about DJI, it comes with a magnetic clasp system. Of course, the base won't be on this camera, but that'll be on my helmet for vlogging. The Mic 3s will hopefully be in the helmet for audio, and not pictured here will be the Sena, which will be used as backup video and audio if everything else fails. Then, for talking head videos, walking around off the bike, talking to people, doing reviews, we'll be using the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is presently filming this, and also the Osmo Pocket 3. Now there is an Osmo Pocket 4 available now, my understanding, but this camera does so well that the improvements are so minor that I really don't see any point in upgrading, especially at the cost. I just recently bought the Nano, and as you saw or will see, I've also just recently bought new boots. So this will be my filming setup for the bike this year and vlogs. And we'll be showing a video shortly of how I mount the X4 on the bike. I want to do some testing first, but there'll be a video for that. And I'm also going to do a new video on my helmet setup and how I'm going to go about miking all that in there and using that while on the road. So keep an eye out for those videos, which will be coming soon. I'm presently experiencing some helmet issues, which I'm working through right now, and I actually have a positive outcome, I think. So I'll be having a video about that debacle too that I noticed this year on my helmet. But along with that, we'll have the video of my new present helmet setup for the year 2026, which I think people will find interesting because I know I do. I'd like to see what different people are doing in their helmets and how they're utilizing the audio and video in conjunction to one another to make good, crisp videos for YouTube. I always fall back to the Sena 50C, which is always on the side of my helmet. That is a good backup video camera, backup audio camera, no matter what. The audio is always perfect on that Sena. As I was stating, I'm having some things with the helmet right now, working with Revzilla to get that all straightened out, and I think we have reached a happy conclusion, in my opinion. Those will be out soon also. So look for riding videos, look for some gear videos, some update videos, and some new videos and videos. So, you know, look for my dumb ass on the videos. So I will talk to you all in the next one. Until then, go see something.